Robin's in the zone, working till it's right. Fresh lines, clean design, cash flow in sight.
Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Robin, and today we're looking into an exciting journey. How to scale a web app from 1 to 100,000 users. I just got this notepad, which I'd like to use as a whiteboard. So I made an excuse to make this video. But first, a disclaimer. In this video, there's some exceptions, but patterns are pretty similar for scaling. And another thing I like to point out is this video is explained so that even non-tech people will understand how to scale a tech stack from 1 to 100K. All right. Here we'll be using a fictional freelance platform. Let's call it Home Gigs as a case study. But other than that, let's get started. All right, here we at our whiteboard as my tablet. And starting at the very beginning, we have our first user. And usually that's you. And at this stage, everything is running on a single server. So one single droplet. And we've got API, database, and the client are all together like little cozy family. And for our home gig platform, this means deploying everything on a single cloud instance like Digital Ocean Droplet or AWS EC2 instance. So Home Gigs is launched now. We start getting users. When we hit about 100 users, it's crucial to monitor the performance of the server. And at this point, we usually see if our single server can handle the load. If it's struggling, we'll start thinking about optimizing and preparing for the growth. But usually at 100 users, you can just get scale by increase or upgrading the droplet or the instance. Now that we hit around 500 users, it is good time to split out the database layer. You can start using a managed database services like Amazon RDS or DigitalOcean's managed database. This provides us with essential features such as multi-region redundancy, read replicas, and automated backups. Another reason to split out the database layer is because the database uses more memory and the server uses more CPU. So by splitting the database early on, we can scale our cloud services more efficiently without hitting the performance bottlenecks early on. Fast forward to 1,000 users. Traffic is increasingly steadily, and our server is handling multiple requests efficiently. It is time to split out the client. So here we have a client. And by thinking the client as a separate from API, we can support multiple platforms like web, Next.js, iOS, and Android. So you can also provide APIs for your clients. So here. And this separation helps us manage the traffic more efficiently and ensures that the user experience is smooth. All right. Now that we hit around 5,000 users, our API server starts to feel the heat. Now enter the load balancer. A load balancer distributes the incoming traffic across multiple servers, enabling horizontal scaling and providing redundancy. If one server crashes in the client here, the others keep the systems running smoothly. At around 10,000 users, we're seeing a huge increase in uploads for portfolio content such as videos and photos and files. To handle this, we'll use a cloud storage and a content delivery network, or CDN. A CDN caches the content in a data centers worldwide, reducing the load times and the server strain, especially for large files like videos. All right, and boom, we are at 50,000 users. But now, our database is feeling the strain. It is time to introduce a cache layer. By using an in-memory key value storage like Redis or Memcached, we can store frequently accessed data, reducing the database load and improving the response times. We can also add read replicas to handle the increase in database reads. And to keep everything on check, tools like New Relic or Datadog are essential for monitoring the performance and pinpointing the bottlenecks. As our platform continues to grow, let's say to 100K, we'll look into partitioning and sharding our database, and further splitting the services for independent scaling. WebSockets, for example, can be scaled separately from HTTP requests. Scaling a web application is a thrilling ride, full of challenges and rewards. By following these steps, you can take your app from 1 to 100,000 users and beyond. And by the time you've got 100,000 users, you've probably made millions, so congratulations. If you like these kinds of whiteboard videos, please let me know. And if you made it till the end, please like the video and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.